So, you tweeted something reckless at 2 a.m., woke up, panicked, and hit delete. Clean slate, right? Wrong. Here's what actually happens when you delete a tweet. And spoiler, it's not as simple as it looks. First, let's clear up the basics. When you hit delete, Twitter's front-facing app removes the tweet from your profile, your followers' feeds, and search results. To you, it's gone. But under the hood, that's a different story. Twitter doesn't instantly wipe the tweet from its servers. It's flagged for deletion and pushed into a data queue. Depending on internal systems and storage redundancy, that tweet could still exist on their backend for days or even weeks. Sometimes longer, especially if it's caught up in logs, caches, or automated backups. And get this, third-party apps? Yeah, they might have already scraped it. If you use apps like TweetDeck or anything that syncs tweets fast, they could have a copy of it, even if you delete it 5 seconds later. Also, public archiving tools like the Wayback Machine or PolitWhoops, designed to track deleted tweets from public figures, might have captured it forever. Now, here's where it gets scarier. Government agencies and legal investigators, they can subpoena Twitter to retrieve deleted content. Twitter has a policy of notifying users about such requests when possible. But if it's part of a criminal case or national security investigation, they may not tell you at all. But wait, there's more. If someone screenshotted it, retweeted it before deletion, or replied to it, digital fingerprints are already out there. Your tweet lives on in fragments, quoted, embedded, archived, and memed to death. And if you're verified or famous, you're basically feeding sharks. Entire bots are built to monitor celebrity accounts and grab screenshots of deleted tweets within seconds. So deleting a tweet doesn't erase it, it just removes your name from the official narrative. Let's not forget Twitter's API. Developers with access can often retrieve deleted tweet metadata, depending on when and how the tweet was pulled. It might not be visible to the public, but it's not completely gone. Finally, Twitter itself, aka X now, has made it clear in past statements that deletion doesn't always mean permanent erasure from all systems, especially under Elon Musk's ownership, where transparency and privacy policies are a moving target. So what actually happens when you delete a tweet? On the surface, it vanishes. Underneath, it lingers in ghost form, in backups, in bots, in screenshots, in subpoenas, digital limbo. Moral of the story? Don't tweet what you wouldn't want to see printed on a billboard or subpoenaed in court. Subscribe to Balance for more no-nonsense takes on digital privacy, internet culture, and the wild reality of our online lives.